Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to turn on voice to text in Samsung A17. If you're using Samsung A17 and you want to turn on voice to text, let's see how can you do that. You just have to open your settings app, and here you just have to enable voice to text. So go down and look for general management setting, tap on it, then tap on Samsung keyboard setting, and here just go for voice input option. And here you just have to select voice input where I have selected Samsung voice input. Just select that and then scroll down, and here you just have to open your app. Let's say I'm going to open messages, and here just go for the message when you have to send. Just tap on it, then open your keyboard. Here you will get the microphone option. Just tap on it, then tap on while using the app, and here just tap on agree. Once you have that, it will start listening and it will transfer your voice to text. So that's how you can easily turn on voice to text on your Samsung A17. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.